Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting an HDR edit in Premiere Pro. First, create a sequence set to Rec. 2020 and sent 2084 so color grading works natively. Once done, make sure your program monitor is configured for HDR preview and that you use an HDR-capable display or toggle HDR in program monitor settings. Import your PQ or HLG clips without transcoding to preserve metadata. This keeps dynamic range intact. Now assemble a rough cut so grading and color management occur on intended shots rather than placeholders. You'll tackle grading by applying lumetry and working from basic exposure to creative LUTs. Start with basic correction to balance white and exposure, then add a technical LUT if needed. Once balanced, use curves and HDR color wheels to finesse highlights and shadows. These controls preserve HDR headroom. Make sure to enable HDR video scopes so you see nit values and avoid clipping highlights above display or delivery targets. Remember to check skin tones after heavy adjustments so faces remain natural. You finish by exporting using formats that support HDR like H, 265 main 10 or ProRes HDR, and set color space to Rec. 2020 cent, 2084 with the correct transfer characteristic, PQ or HLG. Once exported, embed or attach correct HDR metadata for platforms that require max CLL and max fall if necessary. If your result looks washed out or crushed, first verify the HDR toggle on your monitor and program monitor. Make sure metadata.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.